Hello! Today we're going to go through on how to install AhsayOBM on Mac. Let's jump to my screen and get started. On your computer, open your web browser. Then type in the URL of your backup server. Click the download button right here. And under AhsayOBM, go to the macOS section and click the DMG Online Installer. Once the download has finished, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the DMG file to extract the installer. Double-click on the PKG file to begin the installation. Then follow the installation prompts. You have now successfully installed AhsayOBM on your computer. Click Close. Then go to Applications. And double-click the AhsayOBM icon to launch the installer. Log in using your credentials. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on Mac. It's that easy.